Hey guys, welcome back to Mojo Watches. My name is Dave, and in today's video, we'll be taking a look at a really cool Seiko Willard homage from Heimdallr that is made from titanium. Let's get into it. This watch is an homage to an icon in the Seiko Prospex diver lineup, a watch that has decades of heritage that is named Willard by the watch enthusiast community, after Martin Sheen's character in the 1979 thriller Apocalypse Now. The case has a very distinctive shape. It has Seiko's signature design language in the large cushion case, but it is asymmetrical thanks to a section that juts out on the right side around the 330 marker, then continues seamlessly into the lug. The case dimensions are a bit misleading because this watch definitely wears smaller than it seems on paper, largely thanks to its compact lug-to-lug measurement. Let's go over the dimensions. We have a case diameter of 45 millimeters. It is made from titanium with a lug-to-lug measurement of 46.8 millimeters, a lug width of 20 millimeters, thickness of 13.5 millimeters. Crystal is sapphire with blue anti-reflective coating. Has a water resistance rating of 200 meters. It is powered by the always reliable Seiko NH35 automatic movement, which has about 41 hours of power reserve, beats at 3 Hz or 21,600 vibrations per hour, which equals 6 ticks per second. The weight is 119 grams, and size for my 7-inch wrist, it is 111 grams. The watch is packaged well and includes a bracelet resizing tool, a spring bar removal tool, and a simple warranty card and instruction manual. I like this packaging because it is compact and efficient and protects the watch very well during transit. Part of what makes this watch special is that it is crafted from titanium, and weighing only 111 grams when sized for my 7-inch wrist, it is remarkably lightweight. The case and bracelet are in an all-brush finish and done to a very good standard. The bezel is 120 click unidirectional with very good grip and a nice tactile feel and moderate resistance and hardly any backplay. The bezel insert is a gloss black ceramic with white paint infill on the markers and Arabic numerals and has a lumed pip. It has a sapphire crystal with blue AR coating that is effective but does have a prominent blue/purple hue to it and is obvious at certain angles. The dial steals the show with a very dynamic texture that dynamically changes in different lighting conditions. This is inspired by the Seiko Save the Ocean Manta Ray dial, but is not an outright copy, which I really like. The applied indices have a good depth to them and give the dial even more dimension. The handset is finished to a very good quality with an all-polished finish, a beveled edge down the middle of both the hour and minute hands, and the stoplight red dot on the second hand is a nice touch and complements the teal ombre dial very well. It has a screw-down caseback and the Heimdallr shark logo at the center and clean graphic design around it. The crown is unsigned but has excellent grip and a smooth crown thread action. C3 lume is used on the handset, indices, and lume pip and is good overall. For demonstration, I pitted this Heimdallr Willard against another awesome and affordable Willard homage in the Steel Dive 1970 and against the much more expensive Seiko Ice Divers Willard, model number SPB265. Here you would think the Seiko would be a runaway favorite to win this contest, but these affordable homages proved otherwise. The bracelet is solid link, solid end link with pin and collar construction, which is a pain to resize but is very secure, arguably more so than screw pins. It has a mild taper from 20 millimeters to 18 millimeters at the clasp, which is a nice touch. It uses male end links that extend the effective lug-to-lug measurement to about 52 millimeters. On my 7-inch wrist, it's not too big of a deal, but if you have smaller wrists, it's something to be aware of. The bracelet does not drape directly onto the case back because of that male end link, but it is still comfortable on my wrist with good articulation. The pressed clasp is simple with 3 positions of micro adjustment that requires a tool, a fold-over security latch, and a pressed lower. The clasp has a slightly odd finish to the top side, which isn't ideal but is forgivable at this price point. While it looks cheap, it is low profile and balances the weight of the watch very well. Overall, the wear experience is very comfortable thanks to its lightweight and strong titanium build, and I really like that it is well balanced on the wrist with its comfortable bracelet. My 3 gripes on this watch are the odd finishing on the clasp, the pressed lower section of the clasp, and the slightly awkward bracelet integration into the end links. That being said, all of these negatives are personally not a big deal for me at the price point and are easily smoothed over with all the positives. It's a well-made, affordable homage to an iconic Seiko diver with a titanium build, good lume, a comfortable bracelet. Tactile elements like the bezel and crown thread are enjoyable to use. Modern interpretations of the Seiko Willard will cost you about $1,000 or more brand new. The Seiko Willard Ice Divers SPB 265 is a top 3 dive watch in my collection, and I absolutely love it. However, this watch retails for $1,400 brand new from an authorized dealer, and I know not everyone is willing to fork over that much cash for a design you might not be sure of. This Heimdallr Homage, as well as the Steel Dive 1970, are fantastic options if you want to try out the Willard and see if you vibe with it. I purchased this watch from the Sanda top store on AliExpress for about $140, and I think this watch is an absolute steal at that price. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested. It is not an affiliate link, and I purchased this watch as a regular customer without any discount. I love sharing these types of watches with you guys since they offer insane amounts of value for money and easily stand next to really great original watches in my collection that cost way more. Comment down below if you think this Heimdallr Homage is worth your consideration. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to help us grow and provide more content like this in the future. Thanks for joining me today. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.